NITORI has finally opened in One Utama, so let's have a look. NITORI is basically a Japanese version of IKEA, known for its furniture and household items. This is definitely the theme I want my house to be furnished. However, the price point is a bit steep for my liking. I'm actually eyeing on one of the clock designs, but never seem to have the stock in Lalaport's NITORI outlet. I aimed to get that clock but ended up buying 2 additional items. I got this umbrella stand, which I believe to be galvanized steel material. I've been wanting to get something similar online. However, due to its shape, there are often reviews of umbrella stands getting damaged during transport. Next is the clock that I've been looking for, just the look that I needed. Finally, this bath mat caught my eye while browsing. Let me explain later why it is so interesting to me. Part of the reason I want to replace my wall clock is due to its ticking noise and inconsistent second hand. This new clock comes with a silent second hand, and it offers additional readings as well. Here you have the room temperature and here you have the humidity reading. It also comes with a simple stand, so you can use it as a desk clock. Silent second hand as expected, with smooth wood motif plastic finishing. Now it's the bath mat's turn. Let me explain why it caught my eye. On first touch, it is not made of any fabric. In fact, it feels like a piece of wood. Right here, they actually provided a piece of sandpaper where you can sand the surface of the bath mat. They are called diatomite bath mat, essentially fossilized simple organism called diatom. When these organisms dies, they form something like a rock. The formed substance is very porous and absorbent, making it a very good bath mat material, especially right outside the shower room. I've been using it for a week and it dries out very quickly without any care. Definitely a highly recommended product to try if you are someone like me that hate to wash bath mat often.